Okay, what we have here is, this is a telemetry screen on the Taranis, and you can see that the two voltage screens are coming up as 3.82 volts and 3.82 volts, and over here we've got 7.55. If we go through our pages, here we've got our latitude and longitude, which are the values that I'll show you in a second here. And then we come back here, our temperature number 1 is 79 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we we basically cycle through these different screens. You can also see we've got an RSSI of 99. So we're getting telemetry back, and the reason we're getting telemetry back is because of this. I have configured through this over here, which is the configurator for the OpenLRS. I've got my receiver. There's a ground wire and a data wire. The data wire is coming from the TX pin on the Arduino to the RX pin on the receiver. Both the transmitter and the receiver have been configured for FrSky format telemetry, and I'll give you the specifics on what you have to set with the configurator for that. As you can tell from the little servo chatter that's going on, we're getting a little bit of feedback through interference, but that's, we've discussed that in other topics before. But basically what I've got here on the screen, this is basically a sample, what do they call it, sketch with a bunch of hard-coded values showing how to use a library that I've modified for this particular setup. And the reason why I've modified it is so that I can get the hub connected directly to the receiver without any kind of magic going on. I literally have 2 wires going between the Arduino and the receiver. The next phase of this little programming example will be to get actual temperature data, actual compass data, and actual pressure sensor data coming back from the hub to the receiver and giving us real values on the telemetry screen on the transmitter. So this is it for today's video, and I'll upload another video when we have the real sensors connected. In addition to this, I'll have the script, the sketch and library on the SubPirates webpage.